Sometimes people screw up. Sometimes they don't do what they're supposed to do or what they promised to do. It's a nightmare for any manager. The thing is, of course we can reprimand people, but the thing is if we're at that stage, then the problem has already occurred. We need to make sure that people really know what we expect of them. So from time to time, we need to have this one-to-one session where we really establish what do I expect from you, what do you expect from me. When it's about a project or a certain thing that they have to deliver, make sure that they know the deliverables, the time scale. So what I'm basically saying is it's not all down to them. You as the manager have to make sure that they understand every tiny bit. What's the time scales, what resources do they have? Who can they ask for help? When can they ask for help? And the thing is, if things like that happen more than once, even though you might not like it, sometimes we have to micromanage people just to make sure they understand exactly what needs to happen when it needs to happen. And you as a manager need to get the feedback. And the more you trust people and the more you're happy with their work, the less you need to micromanage them and the less feedback you probably need. But if people screw up on a regular basis, make sure that you establish the expectations up front and make sure that they report back to you on a daily or weekly basis, and maybe in a format where you say, what's the thing that you're currently working on? What's the most important thing? What are the biggest challenges in there? And what are the benefits if you actually overcome them? And how can I help you? If you solve these questions, if you solve these problems, issues like non-performance or letting you down should actually not happen. Thank you.